All right, good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and we are going to head out on the Grom, and we're going to go to my boy's house, Jose. He's got a little bit of surprise for us, and can't wait to show you guys. He got something a little new. He actually got a new toy, so let's get on this bike, and let's enjoy this Sunday morning. Now, so my name is Dave, and this is Hudson Moto, and we're going to take the Grom over there. He lives not that far, but we are going to take local roads, and it's going to take about 20-30 minutes. But anyway, let's get on the bike, let's get this sound check, and let's head over there. Let's get that cold start, baby. Woo! Now, this is my 2025 Honda Grom SP, and as you know, this is one of my bikes in the stable here. Single cylinder, 125, got the Leo pipe. What else did I do? I got a Stage 1 flash by DH Motoring. I got the Canon air filter, some bar end mirrors. It's coming along, I put some chain adjusters, frame slider. Well, not the frame slider yet, but I put wheel axle sliders. The frame slider's coming in. Let's hit the road and let's get there. Usually when I head out to Jose's house, I gotta take 3 to 46. But obviously this bike, I don't like it on the highway. People around here, even though it gets up to speed, it takes a while. And people around here, a little crazy when they're driving. So we're gonna take some local roads. We're gonna get there. Now this bike can hit up to 65 miles an hour. It takes a while to get there. Now I am 240 pounds. It takes a while to get up to speed. Around town, this is a gem. You don't have to bring out the big bike. What I like about this bike, it's small, it's maneuverable. You can have fun on it. A beautiful Sunday morning here in New Jersey. It is a little cold for June 1st. It's pretty crazy. This whole past has been rainy and cold. When is summer gonna hit? I know it's still considered spring. You know, got my Beyond Riders jacket on. I got some I got pants, Indie Ridge boots. I'm all geared up. You know, after the accident, I really have to tell you, I've been conscious to wear all of the gear. I know it's not hot out yet. This jacket is mesh, so you do get some airflow. I gotta make it prove it a point that, you gotta wear the gear, man. If I didn't wear that gear that day of the accident, I know it was cold out. I was layered up, plus the gear. It could have been worse. If that was a warm day and I slipped like that and I wasn't wearing anything, I would have had terrible road rash. I would have had probably more than just a broken collarbone. But since I was wearing gear, limited impact. Now, if this was like a regular day during the week, I don't think I would have taken this bike out, just for the fact that, you know what, it is a smaller bike, and like I said, around here, people drive like maniacs. It is a Sunday morning, like I said. Ooh, listen to that sound. And there's not that much traffic on the road, and it's not that much traffic on the road, and we're going to this bike a little bit. On a Sunday morning, less traffic, not a lot of people are out yet. Yeah, during you hit the afternoon, there'll be a lot more people out. Right now, a lot of traffic. Let's have a little fun on here. I can't wait to show you what Jose got. Now, if you don't know, Jose does have a beautiful 1800 VTX, and Also has a beautiful Royal Enfield 2020, the 650. Are both beautiful bikes, but he did something that I did expect, but know he was going to get it that fast. But I guess he made an offer that they can't refuse. He couldn't refuse, and he got it. An awesome thing. It's a good time when you do a new bike, and I know how he is. He's very meticulous about picking up a new bike, or does all his research. He procrastinates. He does all the fun stuff, but pull the trigger. We could sit here and say, you know, maybe the local roads are more dangerous, a lot more people on the road, but this bike is nimble enough and fast enough to get in and out of traffic, get myself out of trouble. That's what it's good for, you know. A lot of Uber Eats guys use these kind of bikes to deliver. Like you said, you can get in and out of traffic. You can put like a little platform on the back and have a little box where you keep all the food warm. You know, they customize it. They don't use particularly this bike, but bikes like this, because at the end of the day, they're legal on the road and dip in and out of traffic. Anyway, we'll catch up. This is kind of a boring ride around here, so we're going to Jose's house, and I'll show you what he's got. All right, 1 and 9 is a crazy place, even on a Sunday, man. I gotta just keep this thing rolling every time I'm on 1 and 9 or something, because, oh my goodness, man, even on a Sunday, people are crazy. I don't understand. That road is a 45-mile-an-hour road. Oh my goodness, man. People don't see you. People don't care. I'm telling you, man, if you ever have a chance to go out on a motorcycle with somebody and really be out on the road with someone in traffic, literally, you'll realize how much bullshit you deal with. People not paying attention, people just cutting me off. You gotta be really intentional with this bike. Don't get me wrong, around town it's a fun bike. In the twisties it's a fun bike. You gotta get it there though first. Especially where I live. I'm telling you, see, this thing gets up to speed. I'm at 50 miles an hour already. But the problem is it's the acceleration. You know, it doesn't accelerate as fast. You know, even with the DH motoring tune, it is a little peppier. I do have to admit with that. But at the end of the day, you know, it's not like a leader bike. It's not like the Harley. There's not instant torque. You have to be intentional with it. And, you know, to get a little more torque out of it, to get a little more, you're going to have to change the sprocket on the back. More teeth, more torque at the low end. You may lose a little bit of top end, but at the end of the day, I'm going 60 for my weight and size. It's still 60. All right, so we're almost there. And we're going to show you his brand new bike. I don't know if it was brand new. All right, and here it is. Woo! What's going on?
How's your ride over?
Ah, fucking terrible. 1 and 9 is a fucking shit show still, even though on a Sunday morning, bro.
Yeah?
Bro, I'm going, I don't know, that road is like 45, 50, and fucking people bobbing and weaving, people rushing to get to Walmart. I know. Woo, brand new 2019 Tracer 900. Woohoo! Look at this thing. Yeah. Doing the oil change?
Yep.
Nice.
PP pad down.
Yeah, there you go. Make sure it doesn't pee all over the driveway. Yeah. How many miles this thing has?
When I got it, it was 1900.
Oh, nice.
And now I put on like 100 and so miles. Now I have 2250.
Wow.
Yeah, 2200 miles.
Getting up there already, man.
You know.
Beautiful bike though, man.
I should probably have done oil change first before I put those miles in. But
Yeah, but you know what?
no, excited.
I mean, it's 2019, only 2,200 miles or 1,900 miles. I mean, I got 600 on that thing already. I got to do the oil change on that too. Yeah. But I mean,
How many quarts of oil does that take?
one, and if you change the filter, which you're gonna have to, it's like 1.1.
What's the deal, right? 1.1. I feel like people are saying, like, you don't have to change the oil filter all the time.
No, you could do it like every 5,000. If you do like 2,500 or every 2,500, you don't have to change it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you don't know who or last time they did it. Anyway, so you got rid of the Enfield too, huh? Yep. It was time, I guess. It was time. But look at this beast. It's still running, huh? Look at this thing. It's still clean, man. I don't know. Every time I see it, I go, it gets cleaner and cleaner.
Nah, I don't know about that.
Or maybe it's just the color.
It's the color. The color is nice.
The color is very nice. I mean, you keep I know you got scuffs, but the chrome looks a lot better than my shit was.
There's definitely some patina going on over here. Especially down there.
Yeah.
But, I don't know. It's just surface stuff. I think I can easily clean it. But
Yeah.
you know how it is.
Yep. Now, how many miles does this have now?
39.
39. And you got it at what, 25?
26.
26? Wow, that's a...
No, wait. I'm not sure. Find out. Yeah, so I'm at 39.7. Yeah, I got it at 26.
26? That's about 13,000 miles over how many years? 2?
2.
It's not bad.
No.
It's about average for
You know,
motorcyclists.
most of that was going at Tennessee.
Oh, yeah, true. He had no problems when we went to Tennessee with this thing. The gas mileage kind of sucked, but
Yeah, that's the only thing really.
at the end of the day, it did better than my fucking bike. Alright, well anyway, we're going to do an oil change real quick on this bike. You didn't do any wheelies on this yet, right?
No. I intend to.
Alright. Alright, since Jose did his oil change, and then now we're just taking it out for a ride. His beautiful 2019 Tracer 900. Man, the thing is a beast, man. The 3-cylinder CP3 engine from Yamaha. Can't go wrong with that thing. Blip. We're just gonna head over to Overbeck Park. This is a nice little park over here in Hudson. In Bergen County. It's actually where I used to work. Yeah, look at that thing. That thing is beautiful. Lake down there. They got all the things that you want here. It's really nice around here. I haven't been around here in a while, but yep, there you could rent kayaks and stuff to go out on the little lake over here. It's beautiful.